everyone! I'm Mandy. Welcome to Tbsps. Today we're making a spicy stir-fry squid, which is quick, easy, and delicious. Beyond the recipe, I'll also talk about the Chinese method of how we cook squid and make sure it comes out tender and flavorful. So please hit the like button and let's get started. I have here 2 ounces of garlic chives. Cut them into 2 inches long stalks. If you don't have it, use scallions as a replacement. 1 red chili pepper, cut into small pieces. This is just to give the dish a nice color. You can leave it if you want. 1 inch of ginger, slice it thinly. Put half of the ginger slices into a blender and reserve the rest for stir-frying later. 4 cloves of garlic. Put 2 cloves into the blender and slice 2 cloves thinly. 4 shallots. Discard the ends, cut them in halves, and remove the outer layers. Put 1 shallot into the blender. Roughly slice the rest of the shallot. We will reserve them for stir-frying later. Blend the ginger, garlic, and shallot finely. Next, we're going to make the spicy stir-fry sauce. Add the minced aromatics into a saucepan along with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Stir over medium heat for a few minutes or until the aromatics are slightly golden on the edge. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili flake. I actually combined 2 teaspoons of mild chili flake and 1 teaspoon of spicy chili powder to adjust the heat level. If you can't handle too much chilies, it is okay to use sweet paprika. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of lao ganma chili crisp, half tablespoon of hoisin sauce, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and half teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Just in case you ask, these are the ingredients that I'm using. I'll link them in the description. Add 2 tablespoons of water, stir well, and let everything mingle over low heat for a minute. Then the sauce is done. Set it aside and we will prepare the squid. Separate the head and the body by simply tearing it apart. As you pull, you will also drag the guts out. Discard that. Pull out the plastic-looking quail. Discard that as well. This guy still have the skin. Rub the edge to lose a little bit of the tissue. Then you should be able to grab the tissue and pull the skin off. Keep doing that until all the skin is gone. This step is optional, but it does make the squid more tender. Tear the fins off. Slice the squid hood lengthwise. Open it so the inside of the tube is facing up. If you see any messy tissues, clean them. Use a sharp knife to carefully create parallel diagonal lines that are about halfway deep into the flesh. Try not to cut it all the way through. Then switch to the opposite direction and create a crisscross pattern. This gives the squid a prettier presentation and allows flavors to cling to it. Make sure the cuts are on the inside of the tube because the squid curves from the inside out. Cut the scored squid into 1.5 inch rectangular pieces. Do the same thing to the fins. Prepping the squid is a little bit messy. You can ask the seafood market staff to do this for you, if possible. You can also buy a bag of frozen pre-cut squid. As for the head and the tentacles, use a pair of scissors to cut it open, remove the tissues and eyes. The cutting board gets a little bit dirty now, so let me rinse it. This is the mouth of the squid, which is edible. You just have to give it a little squeeze to remove the teeth. Cut the tentacles into bite-sized pieces. Fill a pot with water and then bring it to a boil over medium heat. Add the squid and blanch for only 10 seconds. Remove the squid from the pot and set it aside. Blanching is a common Chinese method to prepare ingredients before stir-frying. It helps to remove the squid's slimy liquid and fishy smell, especially when you're using previously frozen squid. This step will make the dish taste so much better. Alright, let me get my wok and we're gonna start the stir-frying. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until smoking hot. Add a drizzle of oil along with the reserved ginger, garlic, shallot, and red chili pepper. Stir for a minute or until fragrant. Keep the heat on high. Toss in the blanched squid. A perfectly stir-fried squid must be cooked for less than 2 minutes. Otherwise, the texture will be rubbery. We blanched the squid for 10 seconds before, so now we have to count carefully. Stir it for 1 minute and 20 seconds first. Then add the sauce and the garlic chives. Keep mixing for another 30 seconds, making a total of 2 minutes. Look at that. The sauce is well mixed and cling onto the squid surface nicely. Take a bite. It's so soft and savory. I know the presentation looks like it's very spicy, but it actually fits my tolerance because I adjust the heat using mild chili flakes, so the taste is perfect. You should always do that whenever you make spicy dishes. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!